record. I'm using from my mobile.
Okay, I'll record from my side. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Now we are using enterprise structure. In enterprise structure, yesterday we defined 9 steps, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
That is,
Yes.
we defined company, then
We defined company codes.
we defined company codes, then we assigned company code to company, then we defined business area, we defined consolidated business area,
Yes, sir.
consolidated business area. Next, we assigned
business area to consolidated
business areas to consolidated business area. Okay. Next, we defined financial management area, and we assigned FM area, company code to financial management area.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And also we defined segments.
Yes.
We defined segments. Yeah. This is what we did. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This is what you are going to do today. Okay. All the 9 steps you are going to do. Shall I show you once again, or you can do it? Justin. Imran.
You can do it. Sir, I tried it for this one.
Which one?
The whole structure I started, but I think the problem came when I started define company. I was having some problem that I didn't.
Shall I define one company for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you see the screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us do it this way. Define a company, SPRO,
Yes, sir.
reference IMG.
Yes,
Before that, let me record it. Yeah, recording. Reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, define a company. Okay, so your path will be SPRO, IMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, and define a company. Okay.
Yes.
Click on define a company. You will see the screen. Somebody is using this one. Please come out of this screen, please. Justin.
Yes.
You'll have to remove this one. Yeah. You are in the same screen.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm in the same screen. And not the same screen, the next screen, sir. The creation.
Please close that one.
Close this one, 0.
Yes, sir. I'm closing. The whole window?
No, just that screen, creation screen itself. Okay, I'll remove this. No worries. No problem, no problem. I'll remove it. You have done?
Done.
If somebody is using the same screen, you will get this kind of, yeah, it's done. Removed. Okay, fine. So now let's create the company. Imran, define a company. New entries. New entries. Here company. Imran. Okay. Private Limited. Imran PVT Limited. Okay. Street 1 2 3 4. PO box number, postal code Dubai. Okay. Country AE,
Yes, sir.
language English, currency AED. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now what you need to do is just create, save it. It will ask you like this. First time you should click this button, Imran.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm seeing.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
After
click here,
save it.
click here.
Yeah,
Then
I
what you
did, sir.
can do is
I created a company 15 minutes earlier.
Oh, sir, I have created it by myself, sir.
you
And then
created
this
already.
step I was.
This one is done, right?
Yes, sir. I created one.
Okay. The headset you have to make mic. You have to keep little far from. Yeah, little far, please. The mic. I can hear you
Actually, I
echo.
think that we are sitting in the same area, no? That's why it's created equal.
Now somebody is saying this. The breathing. I can hear very loudly. Yep. Fine. Okay. Save it.
Yes, sir.
This one data was saved. Imran, you can
Yes,
use
sir.
this company for any practice purpose.
Yes, sir.
Just click yellow circle again. Define company, company code. Okay. Then edit company,
Okay, sir.
new
Yes,
entries,
sir.
company code. Say for example, I am using the same EMPL. You can
Yes,
use the
sir.
same, no problem. Okay. Imran
Yes, sir.
Private Limited. City Dubai, country AE, currency AED, English. Clear?
Okay.
This is the
Clear.
company code. Company code. When you press enter, it will ask you the address here. Okay. You should create address compulsory.
Yes,
It's a
sir.
mandatory. Click on this, you will get address.
Yes, sir.
See, this is a mandatory field, no? This arrow mark is there, which is
Yes, sir.
mandatory, without which you cannot save it. But meanwhile, you can enter
Yes, sir.
even some data also, like Imran Private Limited.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Search, like if you want to search this company with what name, IMPL, okay? Then street
Yes, sir.
number, postal code, etc., etc. But here you should give company code, country. It is very important. If you see the preview,
Yes,
you can see simple this one. But if you enter PO box number and all, what you can do is you can
sir.
see in a different manner. Say for example, let me enter
Yes,
the PO box number. Say Dubai. PO postal code is not there. Street number say 34. Okay. Now you see the preview how it look like this way.
yes, sir. Yes,
Can you see here?
yes, sir.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. Now save it. Save it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Saved. Company code is created.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now company code is also created. Just go with yellow circle and close this screen.
Okay, sir.
Now assign company code to company. Assignment, financial accounting. Assign company code to company. Okay. Click on position.
Yes, sir.
Company code IMPL.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your company name is also IMPL. Don't worry about that. Just I gave the similarity. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now save it. Done. Save. Data was saved. Okay. Now go to
Yes.
yellow circle. What is the next step? 3 steps are completed. What is the next step?
Set business
Yes,
area.
Yes.
sir.
We need to define the business areas, right? And the
Yes,
path
sir.
is same, SPRO, IMG, yeah, enterprise structure,
Yes, sir.
definition, financial accounting, define business area. This is a click here,
Right.
click here, define business area. Then you need to go for new entries. New entries, business area.
Yes.
Okay. You want to Bardubai.
Yes.
So IBUR Bardubai. Okay.
Yes.
Bardubai business area for IMPL.
IMPL.
I say for example Sheikh Jad Road, SHK. Sheikh Jad Road business area for IMPL.
Yes.
Okay. Right. Save
Yes.
it. Save it. Business areas are done.
Yes.
Next one, what you need to do is you need to create a consolidated business area. Maintain
Yes.
consolidated business area. To assign these two things here, maintain consolidated business area, new entries. I'm writing C, okay, Imran, no, IMP, only 4 letters. CIMP, consolidated business area for IMPL. Clear? CIMP. You have to just remember this, okay? Now save it. Yes. What is the step number, Imran? How many steps are completed? 6 or 7? Okay, now let us assign it. Assignment. Okay. Need to go to financial accounting. Assign business area to consolidated business area. Assign business area to. Always you should take position if you have already created. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Take position. Business area. IBUR. Okay. Bardubai business area for IMPL. What is a consolidated business area? CIMP. Okay. Enter. If you want the confirmation, you can check always here.
Yes, sir.
You can check here. Okay. Then save it. You have one more. Remember? Position again. Position again. SHK.
Yeah. Sheikh said.
SHK. Enter. Here. What you can give here?
Consolidated business area.
Okay. You need to go back. Assign business area to consolidated business area. Take position.
Yeah.
ISHK, right?
Yes, HK.
So here you need to give what? IMPL. Consolidated business area. No, CIMP.
No, sir, that is CAMP.
Very good, very good. CIMP, consolidated business area for IMPL. Save it.
Yes.
Okay. Done.
Yes.
This is the 8th step. No, this is a
No.
6th step.
Sixth step.
Yeah. Now you need to go for financial area, financial management area. Definition again from the same SPRO, display IMG, enterprise structure, financial accounting.
Yes. Yes.
See, maintain FM area. This is the one. Can you check here the path? SPRO,
Yeah. SPR.
display IMG,
I am.
enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, and maintain FM area. Click on that.
Yes.
Okay. Enter. So I am just using IFM.
F.
Okay, Imran, no?
F.
Imran FM. IMFM. FM area for IMPL.
Yeah. Yeah.
IMPL. Just only to remember this, IMFM,
Yes, sir.
and the currency is AED. Clear?
AD.
One is enough.
Yes.
save it. Once it is saved, this should also be assigned.
Yes.
Go to assigning, close this one. Assigning, financial management area. Assign company code to, see, assign financial management area. Where is that? Assign company code
In
to
the
FM
previous
area. This is the one. Clear? Yeah.
I
Okay.
didn't.
Sorry? Yeah. Assign company code to financial management area. You should click on this button always, this round symbol, you know. This is called IMG activity, which will execute your power, activity. Double click on that and take position. Company code IMPL.
Yes.
Financial management area IMFM. Right? Enter.
Yeah.
See, this is the what. If you give description, you can see your text easily and locate it easily. Clear? Done? Hello, Imran.
Our network is a bit creating a bit of problem.
Can you speak louder, please?
Actually, our network is creating a bit of problem. I'm trying to connect it. Yes.
Hello.
So one by one, sir, we can go with the steps. So first is chart of accounts. So we
First,
defined chart of accounts in the last one, sir.
so we need to define the chart of accounts. We did it, right?
Yeah, we did already.
Then we
Not for this company, IMPL, but in the previous.
yes. Now we'll assign chart of accounts to company code.
Yes.
Now let's go.
Yeah.
We'll start with this company itself. Okay.
Yes.
We are in still
IMPL.
SPRO. Financial accounting new. Don't go to enterprise structure. 9 steps are over in enterprise structure.
Yes,
So you can even use the transaction code, that is OB13.
yes, sir.
Financial accounting new, then general ledger accounting new, GL accounting new. Okay. In this master data, GL accounts, preparations, edit chart of accounts. Okay.
Okay.
Are you having papers with you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can see that one, or you can use the transaction code as well. So let us click on edit chart of accounts. Edit chart of
Yes.
accounts. So new entries. So I'll use IMCA, that is Imran chart of accounts. Okay. So chart of accounts of
IMPL.
IMPL. Okay. Language, I'm going to use English
Yes, sir.
for this chart of accounts. Length, you should give 6. You can give up to 10.
Yes, sir. Fine.
You can give up to 10. Manual creation, and don't go for group chart of accounts, and don't click this blocked. Okay. Save it.
Okay.
IMCA is a chart of accounts. Data is saved. Okay. This chart of account is to be assigned to company code.
the
Company
company
code
code.
to chart of accounts. Okay. Now the second step is assign company code to chart of accounts. What is our company code? IMPL.
IMC. IMPL.
Yeah, IMPL, Imran Private Limited, Dubai. Then chart of accounts. Chart of accounts is what?
IMCA.
IMCA.
So,
This is chart of accounts. This is city chart of accounts. You will have country-wise chart of accounts as well. So city or country chart of accounts are not to be defined, because the chart of accounts which you already defined are operating chart of accounts. Like
yes, sir.
your rent, salaries, printing, stationery, advertisements, capital. These are all operating chart of accounts. Every country follows.
Yes.
Okay. Just press enter and save it. This is our second step. We assign chart of accounts company code to chart of accounts.
Yes.
Clear? Now
Yeah.
we need to define the account groups. Now you no need to worry about the path. Entire thing is here only. Okay. See, edit chart of accounts, assign company code, define account group. Just
Yes.
click on define account groups. Define account groups.
Yes, sir.
Now account groups are nothing but your assets, liabilities, revenues and expenses. And their
Yes.
numbers. We have to give them numbers. Okay. So chart of accounts. What is a chart of account?
So for asset AIMTA.
IMCA, right?
Yes, sir.
Imran chart of accounts. IMCA. It's not there. So you'll have to create new one. What is the chart of accounts here? IMCA.
Yes, sir.
IMCA. See, nothing is there because in this chart of accounts you don't have any assets, liabilities, etc. Now you have to
Yes, sir.
define it. I'm
Okay,
cancelling
sir.
this. Now you should give IMCA groups. So asset. Only 4-letter
Yes.
word can be asserted here. Okay, asset. You can give full description here. Assets. Okay. So I'll give
Okay.
the serial number for assets from say 6 digit. No, we give 6 digit, right? There chart
Yes,
of
sir.
accounts.
Yes,
So you should give
Yes.
6 digits
yes,
here to 19999. Okay.
yes, sir.
Now IMCA.
FCA.
What I want here, liabilities.
Yes, sir.
Liabilities. Liabilities full form. Then what next number I can take here? 200,000.
So, sir.
Yes, sir.
Six digit number. Okay.
Yes,
So I
Yes.
will give 299.99 to
yes,
liabilities.
sir.
Clear?
Yes,
Next
sir.
chart of accounts. In this I have revenues. Revenues from 300,000 to
Okay.
300,999. So that if
Mm,
Justin, Imran and Naveen, remember once again, if a revenue account, say for example sales account is there,
Yeah.
sales account number should be within this range, it should be between
Yes.
3 lakhs and 3,99,999.
Yes.
For example, furniture code will be within, Imran?
100,000.
Yes, you can give 100,000 101, no problem, but you
Yes.
cannot give in 200,000 series.
Yes.
yes, sir.
Imran, bank loan from bank, can you give me the number please?
So it's loan liabilities
Yep, which series will come?
200 to 299.
Exactly, any number in between 200,000 to 299,999.
Yes, sir.
Clear? So you
Yes.
should remember this and follow this one only because it is international reporting style.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, expenses. I will give here 400,000. 400,000
Yes,
to
sir.
499,999. This is the series I give you. Later on, you can even break up these assets into current assets, fixed assets by giving half here, half there.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You can even current liabilities, you can make it half here, half there by the time you practice it. But at the moment, you are in the initial stage, therefore you take only 4 groups.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Like I will give you say expenses, I can take admin expenses, some 200 here, that is 400, 200, 400, 300.
Yes, sir.
Then I will have
Yes,
selling and distribution expenses, 400, 300, 1 to 400, 500. Are you with
yes,
me?
Yes.
Then I will give
Yes.
sir.
distribution expenses, say 400, 501 to 400, 600. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that
Yes,
way you can create groups. But at the moment, for 1 or 2 companies, you practice this way.
yes,
Okay,
Clear?
sir.
Save it.
Clear.
Save it. So what did you do so far? We defined chart of accounts. This is over.
Yes, sir. Assign chart of accounts to
We assign
company.
chart of accounts. This is over.
To company.
Yes. And we defined account groups.
Accounts group. Yes, sir.
At the moment, we defined assets, liabilities, revenues, and expenses. Clear?
Right.
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Now, I want to define one account called retained earnings. Retained earnings means what? It is an excess of profit which is still retained in the business.
Yes, sir.
True.
Okay? Profit. So, profit is again owner's money, isn't it? Owner's money. Profit will go to where? Liabilities only, no? Owner's money, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Part
So
of
any
liability, but
account
it's
from this
coming.
will be given to retained earnings account once it is saved. It is already saved. So you can
Yes.
take one account from this 200,000 to 299,999. You can give it to retained earnings account. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to
Yes.
create retained earnings account. The path is same here. Retained earnings account. Can you see here?
Yes, sir.
So
Yeah.
all the 4 steps are
And
here
the
only.
same.
Edit
Yes,
chart
sir.
of
Same.
accounts,
Yes, sir.
assign company code to chart
Yes,
of
sir.
accounts, define account group, and define retained earnings.
Yes, sir.
All the 4
Yes,
steps
sir.
are in the same place with the same path. SPRO, display
Yes, sir.
IMG, financial accounting new, general ledger, master data, GL accounts, preparations, and define retained earnings. Or simply you can use OB53. I will show you how to get it. Yeah, define retained earnings. What is the chart of accounts here? IMCA.
See,
So always you're working these shortcuts and all the names and all you should record on a piece of paper to recall it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes.
IMCA. Now IMCA chart of accounts of IMPL. This is BIL is nothing but balance carry forward. Now in SAP, the retained earnings account is defined by a letter called X. So just type X here and give the account. This account is 200,000 series, no? Okay,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
you can give 200,000 101 or any series after 200,000.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, just press enter 2 3 times because the accounts are not yet set. So 2 3 times after setting up you will see save button active.
Okay, sir.
Okay, just save it.
Yes, sir.
This is our step. Retained earnings account is created.
Yes.
Clear?
this retained
Yes,
earnings account, like whatever we are saying, it's X. It's a like a mandatory thing, or we can change it.
It is mandatory. Why? Because after the preparation of P&L account, the excess of that profit will be posted into X, that is
X
200 101. It will be lying
one
there.
zero.
Yep.
Okay.
When you see the balance sheet, this account will show that balance of this company. Clear, Naveen?
yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Now once it is done, the simple steps in chart of accounts, that is second section, is over. In second section, we completed 4 steps, right? These are the 4
Yes,
steps
sir.
we completed.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes,
Next
sir.
one is what? Tolerance level. Okay. Tolerance level for GL account. Don't get confused. When you are posting to a GL account, a particular GL account, what is the plus or
Yes, sir.
minus balance you should give for revenues, expenses, payment differences, etc. for general ledger, not for employee. Employee is next step, that is sixth one.
Yes.
Okay. So it is the
Yes, sir.
tolerance level for GL accounts. Okay. Now again path SPRO, display IMG, financial accounting new. Okay. General ledger. Are you with me?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Business transactions. Okay. Business
Yes,
transactions.
sir.
Open item clearing. See, we are coming from here. Okay. Open item
Yes,
clearing.
sir.
Then clearing differences. I think papers are with you. You can check there also.
Yeah, it is there.
Define tolerance groups for GL accounts. Okay. Right. If you define this, then only you can post the transactions. Now I'm creating a new one, tolerance level. What is the company code? IM.
IM.
Yeah.
So here if you give group, if you give group, say for example, you have subordinates. Say Imran is the manager of Justin. Is it okay, Justin? Okay.
Yeah, we
Justin,
can go in
yeah, Justin group is A. Imran group is B. Naveen group is C. So if you give A here, all the A people can post only, with a difference of only this much amount which you are going to assign. Okay.
Okay.
So better leave this one. Don't enter this one so that these rules are applicable to entire company code.
Oh,
Okay. Now I'm writing here tolerance group for
IMPL.
IMPL. Okay. Here tolerance group I'm giving around 1000 difference. You can post it anytime. Clear?
Clear.
Credit also 1000 difference. You can post it. But one thing, if the invoice is 1200 with $1000 you are giving a discount, is it justified? Hello?
Sorry, sir.
If the invoice amount is say 1000,
Yes, sir.
say for example, invoice amount is $1000 or
Yes, sir.
dirhams
Yes, sir.
or 1200 dirhams,
Okay.
and you have a tolerance level of say you are giving $1000. So what happens is, Imran, what you can do is you can just collect 200 and knock off this account with a tolerance level of 1000 as discount.
Yes,
Justin,
Yes.
if you give a GL tolerance level, it means that you can post with a difference of 1000, whatever be the invoice value. Naveen.
actually,
So
sir,
above
can you please
1000 you
explain
can't
the
post
standard?
any
Ye-
entries.
Yes, if invoice amount is say 1200,
Mm.
if the invoice amount is 1200, if this tolerance level is given as 1000, what does it mean? You can post a difference of $1000, right? Okay. So what you can do is say, for example, you will receive cash of $200 and you will give a discount of 1000 because you have a tolerance level of 1000. Clear?
Yes,
And you
sir.
will close the customer account. Yeah, Justin?
Okay.
I
Justin.
don't get you, sir.
Say, for example, Justin, you are my best friend.
Yeah.
I sold goods to you 1200.
Right.
Now I am the accountant in this company.
Right.
I am given a tolerance level of $1000. Okay?
Yeah.
So you paid me only 200. I can knock off your account with 1200. I will write here credit Justin. How much? 1200. I closed your account because I
Right.
have a tolerance level of how much? 1000.
1000.
Yeah?
Yes.
You got my point?
Yeah, I got it.
But if you are the owner, will you like it?
Definitely.
Yes, sir.
Definitely not, no?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So what you do is, no, I don't want this way, or just 1% of the invoice value, whichever is lower.
Okay. Whichever is lower.
Yeah, if I say 1%, see here I gave $1000. This is a tolerance level, or
12.
1% of that is $12.
Yes, sir.
So whichever is lower.
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 So I can give a maximum of only $12 here. This makes sense, isn't it? So he has to
Right.
pay
Right.
me $1,188. This makes sense.
Yes, sir.
That is the reason why you are given here two amounts. One is amount, one is percentage. Whichever is lower will be allowed.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Justin, have any doubt?
Right.
Now you
No,
got
sir.
it? Is it clear?
Yeah, it's clear now.
Naveen?
Yeah, yeah, I got
Yeah, fine. So I'm saving it, okay?
So like if a shopkeeper buys something goods from vendor for $100,
Yeah.
so like the shopkeeper what he says to keep a margin of 110, and he sets a tolerance amount in in their accounting package, saying that he can sell up to
Only
100
101.
and 101. More than
100.
okay,
No, no.
below that he can't sell,
Yes,
and he
yes.
can keep a margin 105 to 1 or 1%, something
Yes,
like that,
yes.
so that he
Yes.
cannot sell less than 100.
No, not allowed.
Okay.
Okay. That's the reason why you are setting here. Otherwise,
Here,
straight
okay.
away this amount will be considered.
Mm-mm.
If this amount is considered, even 1050 is there, you can knock it off with 50 only.
Mm.
Okay.
Right.
Save it. This is about GL. You should always see here. This is for GL. Okay. What about the employees?
Yes.
In some companies, employees are given authorization only to some extent. If you go to a hypermarket, say for example in the cash counter or something, if they do some mistake, or if you don't want any items which are already scanned by the barcoding machine, they cannot close it, they cannot cancel it, no.
Yes,
The
sir.
person in the counter will
Yes.
call the supervisor.
Right.
Yeah, yeah.
So we
Yes,
have
sir.
to give
Definitely.
tolerance level to the employees. The first one what we discussed was tolerance level for GL account.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Now what we are going to give it is tolerance group from employees, each employee.
Yes, sir.
Right.
One employee may have a tolerance level of 500, the other employee may have a tolerance level of 500,000.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that you need to give it to the employees. One second. Yeah, tolerance group for employees. Here, can you see here?
Yes, sir.
Tolerance
Yes,
group for
sir.
Yeah.
employees. Employees, double click
Yes,
here.
sir.
Execution, new entries. Group, you did not give group, no worries. So what you can do is here, company code. What is the company code?
IMPL.
IMPL.
Yeah.
Here, this is per document. Per document. Per document means, say for example, Imran,
Yes, sir.
Justin,
Yes. Yes.
and Naveen. Document means this one. Say purchase document. Purchase document. A purchase document has two line items. What are they? Debit, purchases, okay,
Yes, sir.
and credit,
Yeah.
suppliers,
To part supplier.
isn't it?
Yes,
So
sir.
here, this each one is called a line item. This is line item 1 in SAP. Line item 1. And this
One.
is line item 2. Are you with me? Line item
Yes.
2.
Yes, sir.
Clear? So this entire amount, the entire amount is going to be a document in the case of purchase.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Every document will have at least one debit, one credit
Right.
with the same amount. Okay.
Right.
Yes,
One line item debit, one line item credit at least. There may be more.
Right.
Okay. So what is the tolerance level per document and what is the tolerance level per line item, open item? So you can give around 500,000, no issues. If I give 500,000 here, you cannot post any transaction above 500,000. Everybody in IMPL. Are you with me?
Right.
Okay.
yes, sir.
I am also giving here 500,000 for open items. Cash discount. If you give 1%, it's up to you. Permitted
Yes.
payment differences. Give least amount like 1,000 or 500 like that. So that you can, again, percentage, always you should give percentage when you give the amount. Okay.
Yes,
The
sir.
same like in the,
Right.
just now we discussed about GL account permitted difference, right? The same way,
Yes,
1%.
sir.
And you don't need to give this adjusted to when you give percentage.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Again, once again, I am telling this upper limit posting procedure means this is a document total and this is a line item
Yes, sir.
total
Yeah.
within which you can enter the transaction, but no one single dollar extra you can post the transactions.
Yes, sir. Like,
Okay.
sir, in the liability area, or we can say like banking area specifically,
Ah.
but you cannot post up to more than 1 million kind of chat.
In that case, you need to define here. You make it 5 million, no issues.
Yes, sir.
You can do that.
Okay.
But if
So
if
he
at
has
all
to
you
get
give it to
approval or
somebody
something.
else that it is only 500,000, not more than this, you
Yes,
can
sir.
post it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just save it here.
And, uh, and sir, I have a question over there.
Yeah.
There is some non-monetary kind of restrictions to the employees, which, like we can say, like you are giving the example of the sale return, that if a person makes some kind of blunder, okay, so he cannot able to, we can say that, revise it until a supervisor came and revised it.
Of course.
So that kind of employee access, or what we can say, employee rights, is this come in this area?
Yes, yes. But to have this area, you need to be a consultant. You cannot be an end user.
Okay.
Yeah. So only a consultant or superior who has been given authorization only can enter this area.
So for this, like there will be any like password lock kind of a thing,
Of
so that
course,
like
of course. Yeah,
end
yeah.
user cannot
Yeah.
access these things. Okay.
Yes, yes. End user will not come here. End user will only be here. This area. Only this area. He will not have access to this. This is closed this way.
Okay.
You cannot find anything here. See?
Yes.
You don't have an SPRO. Okay, this is closed. Only for
Closed.
uh,
For a
the
consultant.
for consultants it is open. Otherwise it will be like this. Only transactions can be entered here.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
fine. This is the next 6 steps which you need to complete. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Yeah.
With enterprise structure, ES, we call it as ES. Okay.
Yes.
Next
Yes,
next one is 2. We need to set up the chart of accounts. All the 6 steps.
Yes.
yes, sir.
And show me on that day. Next class.
Okay.
Okay, sir.